Alright, welcome back to ASE. I'll scale everything. So we got another package. Let's just get right into it. I'm supposed to open this. My addiction grows with that Facebook group. And we got more Fingerboards stuff. So we got 32mm Black River truck hangers used with a new set of gold and black vortex base plates, and it looks like he gave me like the inverted or the regular kingpin. I don't know. And then the other package is 2 boards. One is Cowply, 34mm Cowply, pretty sick. My friend definitely was like, yo, I want this. So unfortunately it's not mine. I can't touch it. I mean, I could touch it, but it'd be kind of weird. Yeah, I could definitely get down with this. I might have to touch it once my friend sets it up. It looks basically new. And this is the other one. It's a 32mm ecstasy board. It looks like popsicle. Concave's like mid-ish. This one's kind of high-ish. Plies are pretty sick. Got the red. Nice though. Yeah, the ecstasy board looks pretty fresh and new. 32mm. He says that he touched it for like an hour. I don't know how long this got touched for. Looks pretty fresh too. Anyways, 32mm trucks. I'm debating on putting the 32mm on this. I probably should do this just so I have it set up real quick. The whole plan was to put these trucks on these from the earlier video. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. But yeah, for now, let's just set it up on the ecstasy since it's gripped up anyways. And yeah, I already have a goo set up anyways. I already have 2 goo setups anyways. Oh. So yeah, let's set this up real quick. Alright, just like that, we're back. Let's just set up 32mm ecstasy, 32mm Black River trucks, gold and black vortex base plates, and purple and white joy colts, I believe. Yeah, purple and white joy colts, matte era. Kinda harder bushings compared to what I'm used to. Alright. Initial kickflip test. Ooh. I guess it's for sale. 32mm ecstasy. I don't know how I feel about it. Feels pretty thick. It's like as thick as a goo board with foam used ripstick or black cat tape. The board itself plus the foam, so it feels pretty thick. First 2 front tail. I mean, it's alright. We'll probably end up putting these trucks and setup on the goo, and then probably retire this teak for the 32mm. Maybe put these ill pills on the ecstasy. I'm not sure. I think it'd feel better with better bushings, but for now they feel kind of gross. Let's get this back to. I mean, kinda. This is this guy. Do we try to clean it up? I think that's it. That's a pretty solid one. Gonna call it on that nollie flip. Pretty good board. I wasn't too excited about it, but I mean, it's not too bad. It's a little bit thicker than I wanted. I mean, it's whatever. Not too bad. Hype on the trucks. I think that'll be it. I'll know more once I session a bit more, but till then, I guess that's gonna be it. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. Till next time, peace out.